In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade storage in OneDrive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete your purchase with confidence. First, open your web browser and head to your OneDrive homepage. It's easiest to do this on the web because all the upgrade options are clearly laid out. Make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account, especially if you manage more than one. Your storage is tied to the account you're currently using. On the OneDrive home screen, look for the Buy Storage option in the left-hand sidebar. It typically appears under your storage usage indicator and account details. If you don't see it there, no worries. There's usually a Buy Storage button in the upper right corner of the page as well. Either route takes you to the same place, so choose whichever is visible for you. Click Get More Storage to open the available plans. This is where you can review your options. You'll usually see a selection of plans, including an option that provides 1 TB of storage. This 1 TB plan is commonly part of a Microsoft 365 subscription, which also includes productivity apps and additional features. Take a moment to look over what each plan includes, the monthly or annual billing choices, and any notes about renewal. Picking the right plan now saves you from having to change it later. When you've decided which plan fits your needs, click Buy Now on that plan. Before you proceed, double-check that the account shown on the checkout page is the one you intend to upgrade. This avoids applying storage to the wrong profile. Next, enter your payment method. Depending on your region, you may see options like credit or debit card, PayPal, or other local methods. Ensure that your billing address and payment details are accurate to prevent verification hiccups. If you're using a card, the name should match what your bank has on file. Click Next and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the purchase. Review the total amount, taxes, billing frequency, and the renewal terms so there are no surprises. When everything looks correct, confirm the purchase. You should see a confirmation message, and you'll typically receive a receipt by email as well. After the purchase completes, your OneDrive storage increases automatically. If it doesn't reflect right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. That's it. You've successfully upgraded your OneDrive storage and created more room for your files.